of a podcast microphone. I got this the other day, and I'm currently using a stand-up microphone, so I thought I'd get a proper one. So let's have a look. Looks like it comes with a filter of some sort. Okay, so this one's filter. It's got some instructions on how to put it all together. Has a XLR to 3.5 cable. Comes with a wind filter. Okay, so here's the mic. It's fairly heavy. And that's the mic there. It's got the XLR connector there. So I'm guessing that this goes on here, like that. What else have we got in here? Seems to have a holder for the microphone that holds the mic. And it also comes with this USB channel adapter, 7.1 channel. This is to plug this into your computer, and you can have a microphone and a headphone connected to it. These look like the little clips that bolt onto the side of the table. That's the little clip that bolts onto the side of the table. Okay, so that's the clip that bolts onto the side of the table. And here is the actual arm itself. There's the arm. Don't need that. Okay, so this folds out like that. And where does this go? Okay. Okay, so that holds it nice and well. So this also pivots, and it has this arm that allows the microphone to turn. Okay, so let's work out how this goes. So how does this go? So you've got to take this back out. And it looks like this has got to go in first. We're using this particular stand. Hold the mic. So we put that one on. Okay, so that locks in like that. Okay, that looks a bit more like it. Okay, so that looks a bit there. So that goes like that. And we grab the mic. Microphone just pushes in there and just slides in like so. Okay, so you tighten that up. You tighten that up. Now this thing, that must go somewhere like that. Hit that clip in, and then that goes into your 3.5. And that is the microphone holder. That is the microphone holder. So yeah, so this microphone holder I'll be using in the in my podcast. But I don't know how this microphone actually would work. Whether this microphone will be better than my other one. The other microphone I have is one of these. I'll just show you. It's an Audio Technica microphone. That's the one I'm currently using. That's the model there. So hopefully that is going to give me, hopefully this one here will give me good sound. If not, I'll just use the other one. Okay, that's it for this review. Like, comment, and subscribe. And see you on the next one. This is Joe the Gadget Man, showing you all types of gadgets and technology. Bye for now. Anyway, that's enough for the that'll be it for the podcast.